Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. Today's tutorial is based on how to sign up into your online banking account of Citi Bank. In order to have an access of all your bank detail or your account detail, then you can sign up into your online banking account, which is much more convenient. And in this following video, I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up into your online banking account. All you have to do is make sure to follow the step correctly. So first of all, you'll have to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As you open up your web browser, on the search box type in the link that is www.citi.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. On the other page, you will be directed into official site, and in the right hand side corner there is your login interface. So without signing up or without creating your online banking account, you'll not be able to log in into your account. In order to sign up into your account, you'll have to tap on register in the bottom left corner. On the other page, you'll have to provide your account information, and you can see in the left hand side corner there are multiple options, so you can select on any one of these following options. If you select on any one of the following options, so the interface is similar, all you have to do is enter the following information as asked. As you type in your information, make sure to review it once again and then tap on continue setup in the bottom left corner. As you tap on it, on the other page you'll have to verify. So for that, you'll have to enter more information or the detail about your bank account. So as you're done entering all your information, once again tap on continue, and after that you'll have to set up your online access, which includes your user ID and your password. So in order to sign up or in order to log in, you'll need your user ID and your password. So then on this following page, you'll have to create your user ID and your password. And once you're done, on the other page, there is a confirmation. So make sure to go through it. And after you're done, tap on continue. So that is how you can sign up into your online banking account of Citi. That's all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.